Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you an oatmeal hack that I seen on Will Tennyson's video. It looked pretty good, so I just wanted to bring this up and bring this to your guys' attention because it really helps make these oatmeal just way more filling for very minimum calories, and it still tastes amazing. So first thing that you want to do is get some 100% quick oats. Any kind of brand's gonna work. Quick oats, generic or Quaker, doesn't matter. I used a half serving of this, which is 40 grams. Or sorry, I used one serving, which is half a cup, or 40 grams. It's 150 calories. With 1 cup of water, placed it in a dish, cooked it for about a minute and a half in the microwave. Took that out, and then I cooked a bag of riced cauliflower. And I know that kind of sounds kind of nasty at first, but really when you mix it in with the oatmeal, you don't taste the cauliflower at all. It tastes amazing after you're going to add everything else. It really does come out good, and this puts so much volume into this that it's very filling. But any kind of frozen rice cauliflower that you can find at your local grocery store will work. This one, I used the whole bag, 100 calories for a whole bag. So tons of rice cauliflower, only 100 calories, 2 grams per serving, 2 grams of fiber per serving. There's 4 servings in this, so 8 grams of protein, 8 grams of fiber. Not bad at all. Cook that in the microwave for about 5 minutes, depending on what kind of brand you have. It might vary depending on your microwave, whatever. But put that out, put it in a bowl, mixed it with the oatmeal, mixed it all together, let it sit for a few minutes to really combine together. Next up, I added 7 grams of stevia, or you can use Splenda. Any kind of no-calorie sweetener will work for this. 7 grams into the oatmeal and the rice cauliflower. Mix that together. Then I added 5 grams of ground cinnamon. Mix that together. And then you can use any kind of protein that goes well. Vanilla will work with this, with the ground cinnamon and sugar. But I had a pumpkin spice, which really added an extra flavor to it. But if you can find a cinnamon protein powder, vanilla protein powder will work. If you like chocolate with ground cinnamon, I mean, it's really your preference of what you like with the cinnamon and the sugar. But pumpkin spice or cinnamon flavored will go very well, or a vanilla goes very well with this. But this is a huge container here, and you can see the whole thing is almost filled up. That rice cauliflower with the oatmeal adds so much extra flavor. I mean, you could go and add 3 or 4 servings of this, and it'd be about the same thing, but you're talking 450 to 500 calories just in oatmeal alone, which adds up. This right here is only adding an extra 100 calories, and it adds so much extra volume to this. And really, you do not taste the cauliflower at all after adding all your protein powder, your sugar, your ground cinnamon. Really, it comes out amazing. It tastes amazing. And you can really try this with any other stuff too to mix it together for other flavors. And if you do taste, I mean, you can add a little bit more oatmeal. If you want a little less rice cauliflower, do half a bag maybe, if you think that you taste it at all. But I did a whole bag. I did only 1 serving of the oatmeal. Comes out very nice, tastes very delicious. And if you were to make it the same way that I did, it would only be 457 calories. It'd be 49 grams of carbs, only 5.5 grams of fat, and 49.2 grams of protein. So tons of protein in this for under 500 calories, on top of 14.7 grams of fiber in this. So really a hefty serving here. It's going to fill you up. Tastes amazing, very quick and easy to make. Not many, you don't need many ingredients at all. So again, thank you guys for watching my videos. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Hit the bell button to be notified of any new videos that come out. Leave a comment, please, if you're enjoying these types of videos. Hit the thumbs up. And you guys have a great day.